Okay, welcome back. In this demo session, I'm going to go down the path of doing two things. One, scanning a directory that has an executable file and DLLs, lots of binaries in it, to do two things. One is to generate an SBOM, and the other is to generate a vulnerability report associated with that SBOM. So as you can see here, my focus is on this .NET application. I drill into this folder and I can see a bunch of subfolders, but I also can see I've got my .NET executable, which is my basically makes up my .NET core server, and we'll see all that extracted out as we go through and generate the SBOM. So let me go ahead and do that, and then come back here and look for the appropriate command. This should do the trick within our product. So it will go ahead and initialize that, and it will start to look at that directory, including all of the binaries that are inside of that directory. And as you can see here, it's gone through and done a comprehensive view of all of the components that make up that application. And as we look through this, we can see all the .NET that's there, and it includes what has been packaged in that executable. So if we look up here at the top, let me get up here real quick. My mouse is a little sensitive, but you will see the .NET Core stuff. There's the .NET core pieces here. These all came from the executable itself. And as you can see here, we've got a mix of binaries and .NET Core or code files that we're tracking down here. So again, being able to scan the executables, scan all the DLLs and all the components that are in those applications is really sort of part and parcel to the value that we bring here as part of the package. Now the other piece of this is I can do the same thing in terms of generating a vulnerability report. And so if I want to go ahead and actually do the same thing here, it will go down and scan this entire .NET application, including that executable and all the DLLs that are inside of it. As you can see there, it found 1,700 packages. And ultimately it's going to go ahead and actually scan all that and then ultimately give me everything I need from a vulnerability perspective. So here's all the vulnerabilities that were discovered, their severity, all the EPSS scoring, all those things that you'll see show up in our product. And so that's, again, I know when we talked earlier this morning, we talked a little bit about being able to scan binaries and executables. Hopefully this helps. The next video that you'll see, or one of the videos following this, will be porting this into our application and how that works. Thank you.